In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. If you're looking to streamline your process for sending out quotes to clients while maintaining clarity and professionalism, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. First, we'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you've logged in, take a look over at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for our task today, you'll want to click on Sales. Under the Sales category, you'll find Quotes. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all things related to quotes in Zoho Books. Now that we've navigated to the Quotes module, the next step is to initiate a new quote. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Plus New. Clicking this will lead you to a fresh page where you can start entering the details for your new quote. Let's move on to filling in the quote details. First up is the customer name. From the drop-down list, select the customer you're creating the quote for. This gives the quote its destination and ensures it's tailored to their requirements. Next, you'll see a field for the quote number. Zoho Books will automatically populate this for you, but you do have the option to customize it. Just click the settings icon beside it if you need to make changes. If you need to add a reference number, now's the time to do that as well. This could be important if you discuss any specific references or projects with your customer. Then, shift your focus to the Item Details section. Here's where you'll add all the goods or services you're quoting. Ensure you include detailed descriptions, the quantities you're offering, and the rates for each item. These details are crucial for setting the expectations right for you and your customer. After specifying what you're quoting, it's also essential to outline any terms and conditions that may apply. This might cover payment terms or any special requirements tied to this quote. Also, don't forget to set an expiry date. This is a helpful feature to prompt timely responses from your clients, giving them an idea of how long this quote is valid. Every now and then, you might need to supply supplemental documents. Whether it's a product brochure or a detailed project document, you can attach these relevant materials directly to your quote before sending it out. With all your information in place, you have two choices. You can click Save as Draft if you're not quite ready to send the quote, perhaps to review later or after a team check. If everything looks perfect and you're ready to share it with your customer, hit Save and Send. This will both save the quote and promptly email it to your client, streamlining your workflow. And that's how you create a quote in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these steps will ensure you're prepared each time you need to send a quote. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting.